Let's say if the screen's giving you problems. So Android Auto, Apple CarPlay aren't working, it's frozen the screen out, you've installed an app and it's not working for you. You could easily do a soft reboot. All you're going to do is push and hold the home button for 5 to 10 seconds, and eventually you're going to hear a little boop. There we go. And you can either cancel this out, you can do a soft reboot, or you can enter safe mode instead. So safe mode is essentially going to temporarily disable any additional apps that you've installed, so you could delete them if that's the cause of the problem. But you could also just do a soft reboot instead. So that soft reboot is going to essentially clear out the cache inside of the screen. So it's not going to do a full factory reset. So it's a soft reboot. It's no different than you just doing a basic restart on your phone instead. So it takes a few seconds here in order to make that happen. And now that the screen's rebooted, you can hit cancel in order to be able to finish up and you're set to go here. Now, there's also the option of moving into diagnostic data. It's a little bit more advanced, but if you hit the home icon, power, and then the left seek button at the same time, push and hold that. There we go. We've essentially entered a dealer diagnostic screen. So you've got the flexibility of checking things out. You can look at smartphone information for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. If you wanted to strictly have it for USB only, not wireless, you've got the flexibility to do that. After you make any changes here, I actually don't recommend making changes here unless you're okay with playing around with things. You could always do a full factory reset, but I recommend not doing things here. But if you have made changes, all you have to do is then push and hold that home button again in order to do a soft reboot.